responsible for feeding the section and maintaining this section of the railroad. 4 Evans children traveled to school by train from here. Groceries and supplies were ordered by Mrs. Evans and delivered by train. After the railroad discontinued use of this dwelling in 1960s, it was vandalized. It was burned in December of 1972. Related to the Evans family homestead. The elevation here is 1,774 feet.
Wait till we go around this, maybe we can get it.
We will continue along the shelf at the base of Mount Willard. The construction of the tracks in this area was planned between the years of 1874 and
Maybe supplies just in case.
Here's Secret 302 on the right, having climbed up almost even with the tracks. The first P&O train passed through here after the Golden Spike was driven just east of the 12:04 p.m. on August 7th of 1875 by General Sam Anderson, president of the P&O Railroad.
Not many.
You're fine. Don't worry about it. Stand up big and tall.
We are now going through the long cut.
We didn't have one that needed stuff.
On the right, Route 302 is now even with the track, and then climbed all the way up to join us here at Crawford Station. Saco Lake, the source of the Saco River, now appears on the right. The elevation of the lake is 1,887 feet. The brook you see close to the tracks on the right is the Saco River. Across the highway between the gateway and the Saco Lake is where the Notch House once stood between the years 1828 and 1854. This was opened by Ethan Crawford, the legendary giant of the Notch. And it was burned in 1854. To our left is one of our Bud RDC cars, the Millie, sitting on a siding waiting to go back down to North Conway.
Touch the ground.
So ladies and gentlemen,
Remember to turn it sideways sometimes too down there.
I wonder if it is spring water coming down.
Yes,
It's drought right now.
Yeah, I know it is.
It's a big drought. And that's probably, we went to waterfall
There's gonna be a
Sunday.
lot of these branches away. That's okay. Yeah, we'll go through them.
They were
His
telling
wife, they were
Evans,
telling us
Patty
that.
and Maureen Evans,
It's like housekeeping with
Way
settling
I don't like the baby face.
section house.
They say that this is more than what they were expecting.
Every other military in the world loves it.
The bay window on the track side and down the side, today the door and water pipe. Heavy screening protecting the windows from rocks that would split up by passing snowplow trains in the winter.
After you do that, turn it sideways.
So what did you like best about
We're less than 25 feet from the tracks. Constant showcase. Passing train cars across the road in front of the road.
today?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Dining room looked down the steep valley.
The war going on around us. If they weren't, I would, yeah. I would love to go back. It's like
You hear the boots of arms and
Jerusalem.
occasional sound of bobcats.
Nothing, that's what they're saying.
It sounded a little creepy at night. But up the
Fucking
mountains
mountains.
all on.
Egypt was nice, but the culture, not my favorite.
Sure.
It's big. There, everyone wants money. They want you. They don't look at you as a person. You're a
Hattie, with all her energy,
it's just
into
constant
adding home
scams.
touches to their
Israel
life.
is nice because like
Planted
here,
gardens
it's
with
like
beautiful
all right,
flowers and vegetables.
there you have
And
constant
a
people.
dog and cat for family pets.
You need help.
Soon, chickens and pigs,
Nice.
and behind the house were added
That's really, really
to food
We
water.
need to do the spiel backwards.
A nice house, near the house, were hung signs of venison.
I showed a picture back there of Crawford Notch.
The winter blocks of ice were cut out of the
There's a
side
lot of
in the
trash.
valley.
A lot of trash.
Just that curve between the mountains.
The pyramids are beautiful.
Right here now.
Valley of Kings is
You
beautiful.
have to come and get it with a helicopter.
Yeah, what's that?
The only place that has vegetation is
The
the
elms had been childless for 6 years.
Yeah, when I was young, this was drinking, it's not
That was like
The
a
first child, Gordon, was born.
shit thing.
So 2 years after, came another child. Mildred was
In a
next.
few weeks, this will all be
and
gone.
monotony of the forest.
Umbrella.
behind you.
Each time Hattie was due to give birth, the railroad would provide a locomotive and tender to bring the good doctor from Broadway or Conway to
Yeah, get it right
attend
up
to her.
close to the glass. Yeah, that's too Yeah. Yeah, so, yeah, we got
The flowers and evergreens were located in the landscape, and among his works are the portraits of several famous Americans, such as John Quincy Adams and
There's
William
a hiker right there right now.
We got a water here.
It was as a landscape artist that he achieved his greatest distinction.
Starting
At
to
the
hear.
times, there was a fluid subject between the most influential